Hi, everybody. I want to let you know about a new class that we're offering at Fresno City College in the spring. The class focuses on artificial intelligence. It's how to use AI. It isn't about building AI. In this class, we're going to see how do we use all of the different tools that are out there today to help us become more productive and more efficient with artificial intelligence. So we're going to learn about large language models like ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, Copilot, Perplexity, and Claude, and other ones that are out there. We're also going to look at AI with audio, AI with video, AI in society. We're going to see AI agents. We're going to see AI in ethics. We're going to cover a lot of really great topics in this class so that by the end of the class, you are going to be really skilled at using AI in a very applied way. So if you want to grow your skill set, if you want to become more capable and more competent with artificial intelligence, if you want your employees, your workforce to be able to be more productive and more efficient, if you want your organization as a whole to be more AI literate, come to Fresno City College this spring, 2026. Come to Fresno City College and take AI Essentials. And we'd love to help you. I'm going to be the instructor. We'd love to help you and all of your employees become more skillful with artificial intelligence so that we can really help usher in this new era where we're going to gain tremendous amounts with productivity and efficiency using AI. So come check out this class this spring at Fresno City College, AI Essentials.